Does building wealth as a family feel like trying to fill a bathtub with a leaky bucket? You're working so hard, but the money just keeps disappearing. Stick around, and I'll show you how to plug those leaks and build wealth together without feeling like you're auditing for extreme couponing. So for many families, right, wealth building sounds like a far off dream. Between monthly bills, debt, and saving for emergencies, it can feel impossible to get ahead. And you're not alone. 70% of Americans say they're living paycheck to paycheck. But here's the thing, you don't need a six-figure salary or a fancy financial degree to start building wealth. You just need the right strategy and a little bit of patience. Okay? So imagine having a safety net that grows every month, right? So unexpected expenses don't knock you off course, right? So picture saving for your kids' college, paying off your home early, or even retiring a few years ahead of schedule. That's the power of family wealth building, creating a future where money works for you instead of the other way around. And the best part, you can start no matter where you are today, okay? So here's why building wealth as a family is so important, okay? Let's take a look at 3 whys. Number 1, why it matters. So wealth gives you options, whether it's taking a dream vacation, sending your kids to college, or simply having a peace of mind, right? Number 2, why it works. Building wealth is like planting a tree. The earlier you start, the stronger it grows. Number 3, why now? Time is money, literally. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity for your money to grow through investments and saving, okay? So let's kick things off with the 3 account system for wealth building, okay? This is a simple, effective, and it works for families at every stage. So here's how it goes, all right? Number 1, emergency fund account. Set aside 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is your safety net for those life happen moments, okay? Like when the car breaks down or your kid's soccer cleats need an emergency upgrade. So number 2, investment account. Start small, whether it's a $50 monthly contribution to a Roth IRA or a 401k. Over time, compound interest will make your money grow like magic, but slower and with fewer wands. The savings goal account. Save for things that bring your family joy, right? Like vacations, home improvements, or even starting a side hustle together, okay? So this system keeps things simple. So you can focus on progress instead of getting overwhelmed by spreadsheets. I know what you're thinking. 3 accounts? I can barely handle 1. But here's the thing, okay? Wealth building isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Even if you start by saving $10 a week, you're building a habit that will pay off in the long run. Remember, every small step gets you closer to the life you want, okay? So let's take a look at a family scenario, okay? So meet the Thompsons. So they started with their wealth building journey by putting $20 a week into their emergency fund. A year later, they had over $1,000 saved, enough to cover a surprise hospital bill without going into debt. Next, they opened a low-cost investment account and started contributing $50 a month. 5 years later, they're on track to pay off their mortgage early and take the kids to Disneyland. Their secret? One small, consistent step at a time. Well, that and the love for Mickey-shaped churros. Okay, so let's take a look at some additional benefits, okay? So building wealth as a family doesn't just improve your banking account, it transforms your life, okay? So less stress. So with an emergency fund, unexpected expenses don't feel like financial emergencies. More freedom. Save for what you want, not just for what you need, okay? So better relationships. Shared goals reduce money fights and bring the family closer. A lasting legacy. Teach your kids how to save, invest, and build wealth so they don't start from scratch. Peace of mind. No more losing sleep over what if moments. If your family could save for one big goal, whether it's a vacation or a new car or paying off debt, what would it be? Let me know in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to take that first step, okay? So when you hit that first milestone, whether it's saving $500 or making your first investment, celebrate. Have a family dance party, splurge on ice cream, or just give yourself a pat on the back. Every step forward is a win, okay? So I want you to take a moment to appreciate what you have done already with your family, okay? Even showing up and watching this video is a sign that you're committed and creating a better future. And that's no small thing. So here's your challenge, okay? Pick one account to start today. Emergency fund, investment, or savings for goals, okay? Open it, even if you only have $10 to contribute right now. That first step is the hardest, but once it is done, you're officially a wealth builder. Celebrate that, okay? So let's take a look at a recap, all right? So family wealth building is all about consistency, okay? Start with the 3-account system. Save a little every week and watch your money grow. Your family's financial future is worth the effort. So remember, success isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating step by step. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one.